If you've ever had children, you know what this feels like. Man, I feel for the parents. I know they call it like terrible twos. I like to call it terrific twos just to be positive, but hey, sometimes it's tough. Oh my God, we got these flowers in our backyard. Babe, it's the same flowers in the backyard. What is it called?
Hydrangea?
Arbibaba?
Hydrangea?
Hydrangea? Oh, look at these money trees. These money trees, 80 bucks. And we got it at Costco for $29. Hell yeah, I love getting a deal. Look at these purple ones. Oh, they're fake. They look good at first glance. So guys, we're here at the local Chinese supermarket. They sell lotto tickets, they sell candies, they sell ginseng, they sell newspapers, and everything else. Usually their produce is super cheap, and they have some stuff here that you don't find in other grocery stores. Like, look at this. What is that? Durian. Man, I had durian in Singapore. That stinks, but it tastes so good. So good. Longan, I love longan. Longan, for those of you that don't know, is the cousin of lychee. So this is lychee right here, and this is longan. What is that? Yes, they look so fresh. Some things are on super sale, but this is not on super sale. Super fresh. Man, how much are you getting?
To feed the whole family.
Cooking for the village? What is that? Live eel.
Oh, I can make
Salmon meat. Guys, just came from this Chinese supermarket. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like inside because it was pretty amazing. Now I know why they call it a supermarket. Man, they had so much variety, so much produce, so much seafood, meat, everything. So cool. Man, I'm going back for more of that coconut soy milk because it's too good. And I need some of that with my buns because I'm craving one more bun. So here we go. Hi, can I have one more coconut soy milk? Thank you. Thank you. There you have it, guys. One more coconut soy cup of yumminess. It's so refreshing. It's cold. It's sweet, but not too sweet. And the flavor, you can taste a little bit of coconut and you can taste a little bit of soy, but it's not as thick as regular soy milk. It's really good. You gotta try it for yourself, guys. All right, we're done for today. Let's see where baby girl is. She's still at the cash register. Guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. And as always, I love you guys. I appreciate the support and the encouragement. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.